Hi, my name is Will. I work at Sendinblue as a sales executive for enterprise clients. I'm really excited to share a new feature with you today. This will enable you to increase your open rate by up to 30%. Now with Sendinblue, you can customize the content of an email based on the attributes and data you hold about each individual customer. I'll explain all of this to you now. Now you can personalize your email content according to the tastes and preferences of your clients without ever having to leave the campaign editor. You can adapt your titles and buttons as well as entire blocks of content. For example, consider what information you might have about your customers. If you know a customer's favorite color, you can replace the text "your favorite color" with the actual favorite color of your contacts. The text will be dynamically adapted according to each customer's individual attribute, but only once your email campaign is sent. Let's continue with this example by also customizing the image according to the favorite color, pink or blue. Just click on the pen icon here, enable conditional logic, determine the preferred color from the attributes menu, and connect the blue color attribute to the matching t-shirt. Then you just need to duplicate the first block of images, and finally update the settings and the image for the customers who prefer pink.